Good morning, my dear students. Myself Pooja Jalan, your maths teacher from Srimati LP Samani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will learn part 2 of chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Here in this example, three numbers are given at the left hand side: 24, 19, 37, and the same numbers that are given at the right hand side, but only their order is changed. So can we say that are they equal? Means is left hand side is equal to right hand side? So answer is yes. Both of them are equal because we are adding same numbers on both the sides. Suppose 24 plus 19 plus 37. After adding this three number, we get 80. And the same 80 answer we will get after adding right hand side also. So we can say that in addition, order doesn't matter. Let us solve this question, in which here two blanks are given that we have to fill. We can see that at the right hand side there are three numbers given. So here we have to write down 34 plus 20, as 14 is already written here. Same way, in second one you can see that two blanks are given, and here right hand side one blank is given. So here in this first blank we have to write down 65, and in this second blank 80 from the right hand side, and in this right hand side this middle one blank we will write 42, that is given at the left hand side. Like this you have to solve this examples. In multiplication, if we multiply 2 by 3, we will get answer 6. Okay, now here I am changing order. Means first I am writing 3, then 2. So 3 2s are 6. Means we will get same answer. It means in multiplication also order doesn't matter. Same way here one example is given. In this we have to check if it is true or not. So we can say that left hand side 48 multiplied by 13 and right hand side 30 multiplied by 48. So we will get same answer both sides, left hand side and right hand side. So this is true. Left right same to same. Special words, numbers and phrases which read the same both ways are called palindromes. For example, this word Malayalam, if we read from left to right, it is Malayalam, and if we read it from right to left, so it will again Malayalam, means same forward and backward. Second example, step not on pegs. Here also same forward and backward. If we take number 1 2 1, If we read it from left to right, it is 1 2 1. And if we try to read it from right to left, it will become again 1 2 1. Means this number is called a special number. Take the numbers, words and phrases that are palindromes, means special one. So first one, NOD nod. It is not a special one or palindromes, because if we try to read from right to left, it will become DON. So it is not same as before, that is NOD nod. So it is not a special word. Same way we have to check others. Here we can see that now I won is a palindrome, or we can say that special phrase. Treat, it is not a special one. Wow, yes, it is a special word. 1 2 2 1. If we read from right to left, this number will become again 1 2 2 1. So this number is a special one. Sports is not a special word. Do not nod. Yes, this is a special one, or we can say that palindrome. 65. It is not a special number, because if we try to read from right to left, it will become 56. So this is not a special number. Like this you have to solve. A number that is not a palindrome can be changed into a palindrome. Means a number that is not a special one, that can be changed into special one. We can change a number which is not a special into a special in a few steps. First step, reverse the digits of the given number. Step 2, add this new number to the given number. Step 3, repeat the first and the second steps till you reach a palindromic number, or till you get special number. Change the given number into palindromes. Means we have to change the given number into a special number, because the given number is not a special number. So first 273 is given. It is not a special number, right? So we have to reverse it. After reversing, we get 372. Now add this two number, we will get 645. Again this 645 is not a special number, so reverse it and add this two number, you will get 1191. Again this 1191 is not a special number, so again reverse it, so the number will become 1911. Add it, so you will get number 3102. Now 3102 is again not a special number, so reverse it, it will become 2013 and add this number to 3102. Now the last you will get 5115. This is a special number, because we can read from right to left, that is 5115 only. Second example, 68. This is also not a special number, so reverse it, it will become 86. Now add this two number, we will get 154. Now again 154 is not a special number, so reverse it, it will become 451. Now add this two number, you will get 605. Now 605 is not a special number, reverse it and add it to 605. So you will get number 1111. This is a special number, so you have to stop the process. Now you can try these numbers and answers are also given. Calendar magic. Let us mark 3 by 3 box on the calendar. Means you have to consider 9 dates at a time and see some magic. First take the smallest number, that is 1. Add 8 to it, so it will become 9. Then multiply this number by 9, so you will get 81. So the sum of all the numbers in the selected box is 81. Means by this method we get the sum of all the numbers in this box without adding it. Second method, in which you have to select the middle number. Here it is 9 and multiply it by 9. So you will get answer 9 9s are 81. That is the sum of all the numbers in the selected box. Let us understand some more number patterns. Here in this pattern, take any number, suppose 12. Then now multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and so on at every step, and also add 3 to 8 at each step. Then look at the difference in the answer. Is it the same at every step? So let us check what is the difference between these two numbers. 39 minus 27, that is equal to 12. Again, what is the difference between next two numbers? 39 minus 51, that is equal to again 12. Let us understand some more number patterns. In this pattern, take any number. I have taken 12. Then multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and so on at every step. Also add 3 to it at each step. Now look at the difference in the answer. Is it the same at every step? Let us check. Difference of these two numbers, 39 minus 27, that is equal to 12. Again, difference between these two numbers, 51 minus 39, it is 12 again. 63 minus 51, that is equal to 12 again. Now same way we can complete this pattern. Here in this last step 63, we will add 12. So the answer is 75. Same way we have to add 12 at each step to get another answer. 75 plus 12, we will get 87. At 87 plus 12, we will get 99. Like this you have to complete this pattern. It will be like this. This is the answer of this pattern. Look at the numbers below. Look for the pattern. Can you take it forward? Let us check. Here 9 minus 1 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Second step, here 9 8 means before number of 9 has written. Then 9 8 7. Again before number of 8, that is 7. Same way we have to write 9 8 7 6. Next step 9 8 7 6 5. At each step we have to write down before number of last number. Then here we have to subtract that number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Here this number that we have to divide by 8 at every step. Then here answer is 1, next 1, 2, next 1, 2, 3. So which number will come? At 4th step it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means we have to write after number at every step. The answer of this pattern is like this. Now just check your answer. Let us learn smart adding. What if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? Means addition of numbers from 1 to 10, addition of number from 11 to 20. Suppose at first step answer is 55 and after adding numbers from 11 to 20 we get 155. Now we want to add numbers from 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50 and so on without adding it. So first we have to understand this pattern. First we have to find out difference between these two numbers, that is 155 minus 55. Here we get 100. So at each step we have to add 100. Means last step is 155 plus 100. So we will get answer 255. Here 255. Then add 100 to 255 we get 355. Next step 455. Next is 555. Then next is 655. Like this you can complete this pattern without adding the numbers that is given left hand side. So the answers of this pattern is like this. You can check your answer. Fun with odd numbers. Take the first two odd numbers. It is 1 and 3. Now add them. See what you get. Yes, 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Means 2 2s are 4. In second step, add the next odd number, that is 1, 3 and 5. What you get? 9. Means 3 3s are 9. Same way, you have to add next odd number at every step and see what you get in answer. At third step, we get 16. Means 4 4s are 16. Next is follow the pattern. After 4, 5 5s are 25. So without adding these odd numbers from 1 to 9, directly we get answer 25 by understanding this pattern. Next is 6 6s are 36. Next 7 7s are 49. Like this you can complete your pattern. Answer of this pattern is here. Now you can check your answer. Let us solve one more number pattern. Here, follow the instruction. First is take a number. Any number we can take. I am taking suppose 10. Double it. Now which number we have to double? This 10. 10 twos are 20. Then multiply by 5. This 20 we have to multiply by 5. Here we get 100. Then divide your answer by 10. Means 100 divided by 10. We will get answer 10. Now just check the answer. Here the answer is 10, the number that we took previously. Here you can check. Previously I took number 10, that I got here. This is the surprise of number in this pattern. To complete this number pattern, follow the steps. First is take a number. Any number we can take. I am taking 6. Next is double it. Means we have to double 6. 6 twos are 12. Again double it. Means we have to double number 12. 12 twos are 24. Then add the number you took first to the answer. Okay, here we have to take first 24. Then we have to add this number in 6. That we took previously. So 24 plus 6 is 30. Then now again double it. Which number we have to double? This 30, which we got at this step. Now we have to double 30 multiply by 2 means 60. Then divide by 10. We have to divide 60 by 10. The number is 6. Now just check the last number. Answer is 6. This is the same number which we took previously. This is the surprise of this pattern. Look at this pattern of numbers and take it forward. Here first we have to understand these 3 steps. Here 1 multiply by 1. Then 2 times 1 multiply by 2 times 1. 3 times 1 multiply by 3 times 1. Means at 4th step we can write 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and here 4 times 1. Same way at 5th step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we have to write numbers. And left hand side, just check the number 1, then 2, 3, 4. So the next stage will be 5. And then we have to write down before number 4, 3, 2, 1. And this left hand side again 4, 3, 2, 1. You can check your answer from here. This is the 5th step. Then next step will be like this. At the center 6. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand side 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this you have to understand the pattern and complete it. Thank you my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to complete your work. God bless you.